Hey guys, so I've got the Ownboard Bamboo AT series. All right, this is the GTR AT series Ownboard. Now it looks exactly identical to my other board here, the Vestar. I think they're actually the same manufacturer, slightly different. The battery box has more screws, a slightly different design. Now the motors are supposed to be the same, the wheels are same size, but the only thing different is probably the ESC and the battery capacity. So I'll go ahead and check out if this is just identical to this in performance. I'll be able to know just going up my hill here. We'll go ahead and check it out. It's also got double kingpin trucks, just like the other one I showed you the other day. It's got this nice honeycomb design. I really like it. Another beastly board. And you can see side by side, they're pretty much the same board. Sorry, I took the board out first, but I'm just going to briefly show you what's inside. They're all the same usually. It's got a 42 volt adapter. It's got the teal, in green. That's really nice. Some extra belts, which is nice. Bunch of cables. And you've got the remote control here. Oh, it's got two remote controls. So this is the new OLED. They ship with both. I didn't know they were going to do that. But obviously I can use one of them. But that's pretty much what's in the box. What is this? Oh, they also ship with this LED lights you can attach to your board. I'll attach that later. So a really nice OLED controller. Let me go ahead and show you. That's at full power. All right, at low power. Medium power up to 36 kilometers per hour. And it's programmed for up to 41 kilometers per hour without resistance. But let's go ahead and try it out. Hey guys, so I'm ready to go. Let's go and check it out. Let's go up this hill and see how well it does. So I'm just gonna start it slow. And let me go ahead and go full speed. So I think about the same as the other board, Vestar Black Hawk. I feel like the power is actually slightly less. So I'm thinking the ESC has been limited a little bit more. The battery configuration might be a little different, but it seems a little bit slower. But I'll have to double check. I'll do some tests, but went up just fine. This hill's pretty gnarly. Looking real good. I got my motorcycle helmet on because this one actually vents real good. Go left over here. I don't like the regular skateboard helmet because it doesn't vent well. So this one, when I go fast, it vents real well. So I can really feel that wind coming through, which is really nice. I will go ahead and stop. Go ahead. And let's go up these hills. These hills are massive. So yeah, I think it's the same motor. I'm not sure on the ESC and the battery configuration, but pretty much the same board. I feel like it's a little bit slower going up these hills. That I'll have to compare, maybe doing a time test. All right. But definitely, I feel like I feel less rattle when going over bumps due to more screws, maybe slightly better design of the battery box. Yeah, I think this is the deal of the century, $8.99. I think it's still on sale. It just very, very cheap. Whoa! I'm just going a little too fast. It's a little wobbly again. I didn't adjust the trucks the way I want to. But I'm gonna actually let some of these cars pass. Yo, it looks good. Looks pretty good. Anyway, I feel like it's pretty much the same board as the Vestar. This is obviously a better price. I'll have to check again. I'll have to check the ESC. But for right now, very responsive, very nice board. Yeah, really like it so far. Do I feel safer with a motorcycle helmet? Not necessarily. Only thing I'm having is I'm not used to having the controller on the left. Now I usually hold with the right, but due to the fact that I have to hold the camera behind me, so I have to switch controllers. But it's not too bad. It's about the same left or right. Woohoo! Yeah, pretty much the same ride, because it's got the same double kingpin trucks and also the same type of honeycomb. The wheels actually look slightly different, but they're pretty much identical type of wheels. Motors also. But yeah, this board is awesome also. I really love it. We'll go a little bit faster here. I think I'm going about 20 miles per hour. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I have a pretty good sense of how fast I'm going these days. And one of the greatest things about these bigger boards is that when you go on the road and go really fast, you feel way more stable than something like a Mini S or street wheels, just because you don't have to worry about like potholes, you know, these things over here on the right, the sewer system thingies. I mean, you just don't feel it. You just go right over it. So, which I really like. Let me go at the fastest. It's supposed to go 27. So that's about 27 right there. Woo. Oh, it's a little wobbly. Now you got to be really careful when you go faster, not to let off the accelerator too quick. That's why I wobble there. Yeah, trucks are not too bad. And always be ready to stop. When you're stopping, you want to go backwards. Pull your weight backwards and pull it back, pretty much. So right up here, I'm gonna slowly pull my weight a little bit backwards, and I'm gonna probably keep going straight. All right, we're just gonna go through the neighbor because this place is too busy. Yeah, not too bad. This definitely reaching top speed of 27 miles per hour. I mean, I can totally feel it. I actually wouldn't recommend a board like this to beginners, actually. It's just too much power. But I mean, if you're gonna commute and you need a board that has really good range, like this one has like, what, 27-mile range? You need to go more than, you know, 4 or 5 miles to work, then I would recommend it. I mean, it's so much more comfortable. Like the boosted Mini S, the problem is that it's, you know, for long rides, you can really feel it, the vibrations. It's just, after like 2-3 miles continuous riding the Mini S, I get really, you know, tired with the legs because you really feel all the vibration. One of the reasons why you should go with the off-road ATR tires like this, all-terrain tires, is because it really absorbs all the shocks. You can go over gravel, you can go over you know, potholes, and a lot of good things about it. All right, so I really like it. And let me go ahead and show you a bird's eye view here. This is great. Yeah, I think the motorcycle helmet definitely helps, because it helps the, you know, I actually wore it now because the vent. Of course, it's also much better protection. But yeah, with this bigger board, you feel a lot more stable, especially going downhill. Like with my Mini S, I would not dare to go this fast, you know, but because the board is so big, it's designed for off-road, you know, you can go much faster feeling pretty safe. So I can go much faster with this, especially going downhill. I feel like it's a lot more stable. All right, let's sort of speed up a little bit. that's like full speed. That's about 27 miles I just hit. I'm going about 22, 23, I would say. Yeah, it actually shows you. Actually at 23 kilometers per hour. So maybe give or take 16, 17 miles per hour. Also, another recommendation, make sure you get some really good shoes. I usually wear skate shoes, and recently I bought some new skate shoes, and the amount of traction you get, and you know, it's designed for skateboarding. It makes a huge difference, especially on an electric skateboard, because you know, your feet is basically the only thing between the board and your body. So I highly recommend, absolutely recommend getting some nice skate shoes, something that's, you know, these skate shoes are like wider than normal so you can get more traction. Anyway, the view's really nice here. Let's actually just check the view out over here. We'll do a quick UE. These boards actually turn on a dime. So let me show you if I can show you like this small corner that I can really turn, because the double kingpin trucks really help you just turn on a dime. And this is actually tightened a little bit too. So yeah, looking real good. Look at this. Check this out. My city, Daly City, is especially the coastal side. You got these awesome views of the ocean. This is why I moved here. So I lost 1 out of 5 bars according to the controller. So that's not bad at all. I've traveled 4 kilometers. What was that, 2 miles? 2 point something miles. So not bad at all. Yeah, battery life. I'll have to do more testing, but I feel like the Vestar actually is faster, slightly more torque. But let's go back up this hill. I gotta go pick up my daughter here in a bit. Yeah, it's got these massive motors, just like the other one I reviewed. Like I said, I think they're the same, pretty much the same boards. Feels relatively the same. This one, obviously a lot better value. Now I've got this hill coming up. You're gonna really see how well it goes up. I'll try to go full speed. That's almost a 5-degree incline, or 10% incline, what you're seeing right in front of me. And let's go at full speed and see how fast it goes up. And always at stop signs, stop. Don't just go through, because that's how you spread bad image of us electric skateboarders for the future. So yeah, pretty fast. I'm averaging 26 kilometers per hour going up this hill. I'm at 30 kilometers per hour. So not too bad, very good power. Yeah, definitely. I think it's about the same as the Vestar Black Hawk that I showed you the other day. Now, I'm gonna probably have a bunch of vlogs from now on, instead of having like a review. I mean, I just love boarding every day. So I might start having vlogs. That's gonna be posted at my new channel, Dr.E Skateboard. All right, and I've also got a new website going there. But I'll just post some of the main, like first ride, unboxing stuff on my main channel. The final reviews are going to be posted on my new channel, so check it out there. Ooh. It's a little hard trying to switch back and forth. But yeah, very, very good speeds. Yeah, 30 kilometers per hour. Going slightly uphill. This is a real nice board. Yeah, this one, or the Vestar, this one actually retails for, I think, $13.99, but it's on sale right now for $8.99, so almost like 30% off. I think it's hell of a deal. This is way better than something like Boosted. I know Boosted's been around, but you know what? The premium they're charging is a lot now these days. Price should come down a lot more, because these skateboard parts are getting cheaper and cheaper. And the main reason I'm reviewing is I'm trying to find better value. I could just go ahead and buy like an Evolve skateboard, spend $1,800 bucks. but I could buy something like this for half the price, 900 bucks. And, you know, pretty much the same thing. It might have some app stuff and extra app stuff, but I don't need all that app stuff. I don't even use it. Like tracking and stuff, you can use another app to do that. You don't actually need it on the board. I will get some savings without having an app. But I think this one also has an app you can use. This one uses a Hobbywing ESC. For those of you who don't know what Hobby ESC is, it's basically, they make pretty good ESC for high power stuff, which should be pretty good. Yeah, going pretty fast over here. Yeah, we're definitely averaging 30 kilometers easily, and much more probably. I'm gonna actually go on the wrong side so these guys can pass me. Woo! Yeah, it's a little wobbly. I need to adjust the trucks a little bit. I haven't even broken. This is a brand new board, so I actually like going the wrong way here because as long as I'm not going too fast, I can avoid the cars. But I hate going the same way. Anyway, these are massive hills. We're just making up pretty good, I would say. Very, very nice. Let's actually go full speed here, since nobody here, and see how fast we can go. Woohoo! Yeah, I think I'm averaging about 30 kilometers per hour. Very nice. This is probably a 5 degree incline, maybe 4 degree, and we're doing pretty well up it. It's pretty good. Now, I do recommend slowing down when you see cars, especially if you're going the wrong way or if there's cars behind you. Just let them pass, and then just work on your maximum speed when there's no cars in front of you or behind you. I would say that's the easiest way to ride it. You're just putting yourself at risk, and you can see how there's nobody behind me now, and now I'm getting back on the track. Right? So yeah, just use your common sense and don't try to ride fast around cars. That's sort of just asking to get killed. Yeah, I really love how fast, you know, it feels so much stable when going downhill, because I live where there's a ton of hills, and having a big board like this with a ton of power means you can stop easily on a dime. Your ride feels a lot safer, stable. Now, I don't recommend this for like city usage. If you're using it for mostly sidewalks and stuff, I think a low powered one would be better. This one would be hardest right in the sidewalk because it's so big. It's just gonna take up all the room.